Namaskar. Civil Service Preliminary Examination 2022 GS Paper 2, which is popularly known as CSET. Direction for the following 3 items. Read the following 2 pages and answer the items that follow the pages. Your answer to be these items should be based on the pages only. Pages 1. The main threat to maintaining the progress in human development come from the increasingly evident unsustainability of production and consumption pattern. Current production model rely heavily on fossil fuel. We now know that this is the unsustainable because the resources are finite. The close link between the economic growth and the greenhouse gas emission need to be served for the human development to become the truly sustainable. Some of the developed countries have begun to alleviate the worst effect of expanding the recycling, investing in the public transport and infrastructure, but most of the developing countries are hampered by the high cost and low availability of clean energy sources. Developed countries need to be support the developing countries transition to sustainable human development. Question number 1, based on the above pages, is unsustainability production pattern is due to which of the following? 1. Heavy dependence on fossil fuel, limited availability of resources, expansion of recycling, and select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only, B. 2 only, C. 1 and 3 only, D. 1, 2 and 3 only. Answer is A. 1 and 2 only. Question number 2, based on the passage number 1, consider the following statement. Developed countries can support developing countries' transition to sustainable human development by 1. Making clean energy source available at low cost. 2. Providing loans for improving their public transport at nominal interest rate, encouraging them to change their production and consumption pattern. Which of the statement given above is correct? Option A, 1 only. Option B, 1 and 2 only. Option C, 2 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3 only. Answer is option B, 1 and 2 only. Passage 2. Unless the force and tendencies which are responsible for destroying the country's environment are checked in the near future, and afforestation of denoted areas is taken up on massive scale, the harness of the climatic condition and soil erosion by wind and water will increasing to such an extent that agriculture, which is the mainstay of our people, will gradually become impossible. The desert countries of the world and our desert areas in Rajasthan are the grim reminder of consequences of large-scale deforestation. Pockets of desert-like landscape are now appearing in other parts of the country, including South Sutlej, Ganga Plain, and Deccan Plateau, where the only few decades back there used to be lush green forest with the perennial stream, and spring there is the only brown earth bare of vegetation without any water in the stream and spring except in the rainy season. Question number 3, based on the passage 2, according to the passage given above, deforestation and denudation will ultimately lead to which of the following? 1. Depletion of soil resource. 2. Shortage of land for common man. 3. Lack of water for cultivation. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only, B. 2 and 3 only, C. 1 and 3 only, D. 1, 2 and 3 only. Answer is option number C, 1 and 3 only. Question number 4. What is the value of x? Is the sequences 20, 10, 10, 15, 30, 75, x. What? 1, 105, B, 120, C, 150, D, 225. Answer is D, 225. Question number 5. An identity card has the number A, B, C, D, E, F, G, not necessarily in that order, where each letter represents a distinct digit 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only. The number is divisible by 9. After deleting the first digit from the right, the resulting number is divisible by 6. After deleting the 2 digit from the right of original number, the resulting number is divisible by 5. After deleting the 3 digit from the right of original number, the resulting number is divisible by 4. After deleting 4 digit from the right of original number, the resulting number is divisible by 3. After deleting the 5 digit from the right of original number, the resulting number is divisible by 2. Which of the following is possible value for the sum of middle 3 digit of the number? Option A, D, 8, B, 9, C, 11, D, 12. Answer is A, 8. Question number 6. Two friends X and Y start running. They run together for 50 meter in the same direction and reach a point. X turn the right and run 60 meter, while Y turn left and run 40 meter. Then X turn left and run 5 meter, 50 meter and stops, while Y turns right and run 50 meter and then stop. How far are the two friends from each other now? Option A, 100 meters, B, 90 meters, C, 60 meter, D, 50 meters. Answer is A, 100 meters. Question number 7. Which date of the June 2099 among of the following is Sunday? Option A, 4, option B, 5, option C, 6, option D, 7. Answer is option D, 7. A bill for 1840 is paid in the denomination of 50, 20 and 10 notes. 50 notes is in all are used. Consider the following statement. 25 notes of rupees 50 are used and the remaining are in denomination of 20 and rupees 10. 35 notes of rupees 20 are used and then remaining are denomination of rupees 50 and 10. Question of 3. 20 notes of rupees 10 are used and then remaining are the denomination of rupees 50 and 20. Which of the above statements are not correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2, 3 only. Answer number D. 1, 2 and 3 only. Question number 9. Which number among 2, 40, 3, 21, 4, 18 and 812 is the smallest? A. 240. B. 321, 4, 18 and 812. Answer is B. 3 to the power 21. Question number 10. The digits A 1 to 9 are arranged in 3 rows in such a way that each row contains the 3 digits and the number formed in the second row is the twice the number formed in the first row, and the number formed in the third row is the thrice the number formed in the first row. Repetition of digit is not allowed. If only 3 of the 4 digits 2, 3, 7, 9 are allowed to use in the first row, and how many such combinations are possible to be arranged the following 3 rows? A 4, B 3, C 2, D 1. Answer is C 2. Thank you.